Guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram Reels friends option not showing. So Instagram updated the app recently that you'll be able to see what your friends actually reposted and the videos they liked on Instagram. But some people haven't seen the changes on their Instagram. Might be as a result of the app not being updated, or it has not been available to some regions. So let me show you what I mean. Click on your Instagram right here. You go to Reels.
If you find money small,
click right here. See what I mean?
At the end of the
The friends option right here. Some people haven't seen this, so if you're having the issue of not seeing this, let me show you how to actually fix that. So the first thing you have to do, you have to go to your Play Store or your Apple Store to update your Instagram. You click on Instagram. Once you see updates right here, if you see updates right here, you click on it to update. But if yours is not having an update, meaning your app is up to date, so what you need to do is you will go to your phone settings like this. You click on apps. Click on apps and you scroll down to Instagram. So you're going to click on storage and you click on clear cache. So after clearing your clear cache, you might not go back to your Instagram app, and right then it's been, the option is going to be available to you. So this is how to fix that. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.